Happy Friday. This is the Frugal Gardener. I'm on the homestead. I won't keep you guys long. I won't keep you in suspense. You know what we do every Friday. I do a new buy it or build it, where I take a container, preferably something that has already been used, and instead of throwing it in the trash, we upscale. So this week, we're going to do a box. Yes, we're going to grow vegetables in a box. But before I show you that, let's go back in time a little bit to the very first episode. The very first Friday, we planted cherry tomatoes. Now, I planted these seeds and I did not think that they were going to germinate, so I planted more, and this is what you end up with. There is no way that I'm going to get cherry tomatoes to grow from all of these plants. So I'm going to thin these out. I'm going to take out at least half of these. I'm going to keep the stronger ones. And as you can see, they are thriving. They're doing well. I'm going to probably add some nutrients to the soil. And in about another month, we will have tomatoes. So on to the business at hand today. This is our new project. This is a box that I picked up from a big box store, Sam's. I know I have a lot of viewers in the UK, and I'm not sure, I don't think there's a Sam's over there, but at any rate, um, every time I go there, there's a bunch of boxes on the side that they're trying to discard, that they get ready to throw out. So I grabbed a couple of those, and I had to kind of reinforce it because on the side, see if I can give you a look, there's holes along the side. So I just took a piece of cardboard, and I can show you better on this side. A piece of cardboard, actually 4 pieces. There's one here, there, and there. And I used the cardboard to block the holes. This is just regular, cheap, crappy soil. Didn't do anything special to it. These little specks here, these spots here, what you see here is what we're actually growing this week, and that is actually lettuce, romaine lettuce to be exact. That's what I put in here a few minutes ago, and the soil has been amended with compost, and that's it. I didn't put anything else in here, and these seeds are tiny, so you don't want to put them too deep in the soil, or they're not going to grow. They aren't going to be able to push through. So in the beginning, you just want to cover these lightly, and once they're covered, you water them. In the beginning, when I have small seeds like this, I use this bottle, just a regular squirt bottle, dollar store bottle. Just keep the seeds moist. I check it every day for the first week or so. This is not going to take very long. The reason why I chose romaine lettuce is because the roots are shallow. These roots are like 4 to 6 inches deep. It's pretty easy to grow. If the roots reach the bottom of this box, they'll simply spread out. So it's not a big deal. And the germination is going to probably take about a week. This lettuce is probably going to be harvested in about 2 months, 65 days. You got yourself lettuce. Bam. That's it. Free container. You can get seeds. These seeds I got online. I forget what I paid for them, but I'll give you guys a tip. Everybody's trying to reinvent the wheel. So a lot of companies have come up with different types of envelopes, different types of bags, and I'm not sure if this is by design or not, but you cannot it's difficult. Let's put it like that. It's difficult to close these bags up. So I don't know if they want you to lose the seeds on purpose to buy more, or whether they expect you to use them all. Who knows? The bottom line is I use a sandwich bag, and that's what keeps these seeds from falling out all over the place. So basically, there it is. Zip them up. Boom. You have them for the next time you're going to use it if you don't use the whole pack. If you do, hey, great. So this is it. That's it. You basically make sure that you don't have any holes that are going to cause your soil to leach out. You don't want to plant your seedlings too deep. You don't want to pack them down too much. And in about 60 days, you'll have a whole box full of lettuce. It sounds funny to say a box full of lettuce, but hey, it beats spending money buying containers. So that's it. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I will ask you to please subscribe to my channel, because I do this every week, but I also have regular videos on how to save money gardening that I post weekly. So I'm here every Friday, and I'm also here during the week. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I always say, when you buy your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you guys next Friday, if not sooner. Enjoy your weekend. Catch you soon.